Hello all, this is Paranormal Mike with Southbound Paranormal, and I have another video for you guys today, and I hope you enjoy it. This is really awesome. Uh, Basically what happens is something appears on the bed and starts dancing, but that's not the only thing that happens. I think I'm beginning to understand what is happening and how it's mapping the entities as it sees it. Um, but first, I'll go ahead and get the pictures loaded up here so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, and on with the show. Here you see the room as it is normally, and you see all the shading is right. All the shading is done by the sensor, and next you'll see the entity pop up. It looks like it's jumping up to the console, and then you'll see it try to kick the ball over here again for a few seconds, and then it'll just quit. But I found it really interesting that you can see the yellow highlighted in there inside the console. That's the part that goes to the back where you can see the wall. And there it goes, it's kicking trying to kick the ball again. It stays there for a few seconds, and then it just disappears. But something interesting happens just as it's about to disappear, and just as this other entity pops up. Okay, right now you'll see it right there in the upper right hand corner is a little red mist that pops up right in front of this painting right here. And then the dancer shows up as the little figure starts to disappear. And if you notice in the background, this little mist that's popping up changes shape during the course of filming the video. And this is what I think is happening. It's picking up like a materialization, perhaps something like it's manifesting itself, and the sensor is doing the best that it can to map out whatever it's seeing. Because if it sees an arms, legs, and what resembles a head, it's going to map it out the best it can. So I think it's kind of like shining the light, the grid light, and it's only semi-highlighting different parts of this mist or this manifestation because it can only reflect light at a certain angle. And I think that's what's happening. It's kind of trying to manifest, and the sensor's picking up a human figure, but it can only be highlighted at certain angles in certain ways depending on how the mist is moving, I suppose. And I think that's what's happening. So there you have it. And now on to the video. And you know what, just for a change of pace, I am going to see if here real quick. When we're in the dark without my flashlight, not a smart move. Whoa, hello. Something's dancing on the bed. The other one disappeared, so I think that may just be a glitch. If you're dancing on the bed there, can you sit down? Please? Just to show me that you're a spirit? Perhaps? No? Okay. That is wicked. So, notice something since I'm moving the camera around. You're climbing up the wall? So you're moving it and it's still there. You're hiding? Guys, this is awesome. As you can see, I moved the sensor and it's still there. Can you tell me who you are? At least now I know that whenever I move the sensor around, it's not the movement that's causing it, it's actually catching something. It's okay, don't be afraid of me. It's alright, I can't see you, but my equipment can. Hello? Please don't be afraid. I'll stay right where I am. In this chair. Can you sit down on the bed for me? Just relax, I just want to talk to you. I want you to be comfortable. Can you sit down on the bed for me, please? Damn, that refrigerator is a kick in. Okay, I don't know what to tell you guys. I moved the camera. Was that me? Oh, are you watching me on the camera over there? There's my camera sitting right there, just right below its feet. Are you watching me? Like, see, you guys have my Sony up there, and I have the little monitor flipped out, and you can see what the camera is seeing right now because it's on. It's watching me. That's cool. I'm watching you, you watching me. That was a tap coming from right over there. I think I hear footsteps, but that just may be audio matrixing from the refrigerator. Are you taking energy from the camera? that ticking was from the fridge, I think. And remember, like, for those of you that were watching, or going to be watching this before, I'll probably just play it in case this isn't a clip of me just going around the room and looking around, and this didn't appear until I tilted the camera to go to a different direction to watch the ball, which I was going to place on the floor. This is so weird. What the heck? There we go. That is so weird. See, I'm moving it around, and they're there, and that boy is right there trying to kick that ball. What the hell? Thank you, guys. My equipment's never, never expect my equipment to work this well. But it looks like that green right there you see on the TV, whatever is there is on that TV. It's not just that, it's not reading off the lamp right there. It's standing in front of the lamp, on the dresser in front of the TV. That green that's coming off the TV right there, if you guys can't see it, you might have to pause it, but there's a green, it's picking up something in front of the TV right next to the ball. It's trying to kick that ball. And it disappeared. As you can see, it's picked up the lamp as normal. I'm going to experiment with that just real quick. Okay. No, it's not a software glitch. It's picking up actually something on that wall. And then see, it's just kind of when the wireframe gets all caught on the wall of the wire, it means I'm moving it out of its where the object is, and it's trying to map it. So it looks like it's right there. That is so odd. I want to go up there and walk towards you, okay? Where's my flashlight? Can you see my flashlight? Oh, I don't want to flash it in your eyes there. Just to be sure it's not a software glitch, I'm going to move the laptop here so I can watch. I'm walking out towards you. Chill out. I'm not going to harm you. Can you touch my hand? Oh, it's cold over here. Dude, it's cold. It is so cold over here. Can you touch my hand, please? I can barely see the monitor over there, so I don't know if it's touching my hand or not. But it's so cold. And take the ball, put it right there. Oh, you went away. Oh, I gotta go tell her.